Hi guys, this is just a part 2 to the original video that I made where I gave you some NHS statistics that I'd asked for through a Freedom of Information Act. First of all, I just want to show you that they are from the NHS because I've had quite a few people telling me that I doctored the information and I made up the statistics. I'll show you. I did get them from the NHS through a Freedom of Information request, and you can go and do it yourself as well. And you will find exactly the same statistics that I have, and I've now had the rest of them here because last year I asked for statistics from the years 2008 to 2012, but because it was in May I asked, I only had the statistics up until April 2012, so I've now got the rest of them. I'm just going to break down quickly some of these. I'm going to do September, October, November, December as well. So September 2008 we had 20 people admitted to ICU or casualty because they couldn't breathe. October 08 we had 19, November 08 14, December 08 21. September 09, 47, October 09, 58, November 09, 56, December 09, 47. September 2010, 80, October 2010, 74, November 2010, 74, December 2010, 76. September 2011, 119, October 2011, 127, November 2011, 121, December 2011, 96, September 2012, 44, October 2012, 74, November 2012, 130, and then December 2012 we had 107. So if we just look at December 2012, which was 107, going back to December 08, we only had 21. So 21 people admitted to ICU and casualty, and that goes to 107 in December 2012. So it's really, really disgusting. Last year, I'm sure you all will remember as well, September was a really, really bad month for spraying. September 2012 and October 2012 as well, and I have got some really bad videos from those days, so it's just really interesting to see that the fallout from that. So you had September, October, and then in November there was 130 people admitted to ICU and casualty, and in December there was 107. So let's look at 2008 for those 2 months as well. So 2008 there was 14 admitted, and in December 08 there was only 21. So what has made it jump from 14 people to 130 people in not so many years, you know, and in the same area? So I do suggest, and I have before, that it's the progression of the spraying, and it's just been getting worse and worse and worse, and every year they start to spray a bit more, and it's affecting people's health in my area for sure. I don't see any other factor that would be making these people have problems and respiratory problems, and they're being this. I specifically asked for people who are being admitted through straight to casualty or straight to ICU. So these figures are really, you know, they're quite shocking, I think, and the difference with some of them is just appalling. You know, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December of 2008. The figures look like they should be. You know, I suppose what you'd kind of expect for people to be having health problems like this. But as you go down the years, the progression is just, it's appalling. And I also did get some statistics back for women who had suffered from miscarriages. That's disturbing as well. And also I asked for stillbirths, which is, once again, you know, it's upsetting, and I do find there's a bit of a correlation here, you know. just checking the statistics between people that are being affected on their chest and through their lungs, it seems that around the same time of the heavy spraying, women are being affected as well in terms of having miscarriages and stillbirths around my area. So it's really it's disturbing. But when you start to get some, you know, hard evidence and facts like this to back up what you're saying, it's very, very helpful. And it has helped me to open so many people's eyes just by showing them this. And they're thinking themselves, you know, well, she's right. What is making these people suffer like this? And why is it getting worse and worse and worse every year? And also summer months where they spray so badly here, that's the months where people are the most affected, it would look as well. And it's getting worse. So I will continue with this. And what I will do is I will get the statistics for this year as well. I'll wait until May's over, and then I'll get the statistics from January to May, and we can do the same thing again, because what we all did last year was, with my statistics, we checked our chemtrail videos to see, you know, what was happening when it was the worst days and how it was affecting people's health. So I urge everybody to do this. If you just do a FOI to your local NHS trust and see the statistics for your area, and then when you're filming all the spraying and when you can see it's white out, it's a really bad day, you can check the statistics and it adds up. So yeah, have a go at doing this and you see for yourself. And I will, if anybody out there does want me to send you a copy of these statistics, I'll happily do that. My email addy is on my page there, so just contact me and I'll send them to you. Right, peace out people, one love.